In this session, we will see how to use tracking numbers and how to maintain batch-wise details. First, we will see how to use tracking numbers in receipt notes and delivery notes. So, we have to go through features, inventory features, and give S for the option use tracking numbers and use rejection inwards or outward notes, and finally select accept. Next we have to select inventory vouchers and click on receipt note. Here we have to select party name Prakash Company. Next we have to give new order number O5, and if we want we can also give other these details. Here we have to give item name. I am selecting ceiling fan. Now we have to give tracking number, and we already have tracking number 1. Now I am selecting new tracking number 2. Next I am giving a new order number O5, and here we have to give due date 1st April 2009. Next I am giving godown name, main location, quantity is 15, and remaining other details will be displayed automatically. Press enter key. If we want we can add remaining other details. Now I am selecting end of list. Here I am selecting credit purchases. Press enter key and click accept. After giving these details, we can see it by selecting display, statement of inventory, purchase bill pending. Here we can see all the details which are still in pending. Now we will purchase these items through purchase invoice. So select accounting vouchers, purchase invoice. Here I am selecting Prakash Company. Receipt note number is 2. Finally click on end of the list. Here we can see relevant information is displayed automatically. And here we have to give tracking number, main location, and press end of the list. Here I am selecting credit purchases. Press enter key and Y key. So finally we purchased items which are given in receipt notes, and we used tracking numbers as a link. Now select display, statements of inventory, purchase bill pending. Now we can see only 2 items is in pending. We did not have third item because we made purchase invoice for it. Like this we can use tracking numbers in receipt note or delivery note, and then we can make purchase entry through purchase invoice. Next we will see how to maintain batch-wise details. When we are in Gateway of Tally, select Features, Inventory Features, and give S for the option Maintain Batch-wise Details, and set expiry dates for batches, and give S for the option Maintain Batch-wise Details and set expiry dates for batches. And if we want we can set S for the option Maintain Stock Categories and multiple godowns. Finally press accept. Select inventory information. Now we will see how to maintain batch-wise details so that we will create a stock items for sample purpose. So first we have to create stock group. Here I am giving ketchup. Next I am creating stock category, sauces. Now we will select stock item creation. Here I am giving name tomato ketchup. Under group I am selecting ketchup. Category is sauces. And I am giving S for the option maintain in batches, track date of manufacturing, use expiry dates. I am giving no for the option set standard rates. Rate of duty is 4, and I am not make any changes for it. Finally press accept. Like this we created one stock item. Now we will create ledger. So get back to Gateway of Tally and select accounts information, ledger, create. Here I am giving Raju departmentals, sundry creditors, and finally press accept. Now we have to go voucher entry. So select accounting voucher, create and click purchase voucher. Here I am selecting Raju departmentals and we can give receipt note number, date, order number and supplier's details. Here I am selecting item name tomato ketchup, tracking number is 12, order number is 06, due on 1st April 2009, godown name is Beach Street, batch 1, quantity is 20 numbers, rate is 50 and here we have to give manufacturing date and expiry date. Like this we can give batch details continuously. End of the list. Here I am selecting credit purchases. Like this we can maintain batch wise details like batch numbers, manufacturing date, expiry date, godowns, etc.